Making a round shape. Here I am using natural clay. In place of natural clay, you can use terracotta clay also. Making a round base. Here I am making base for Lord Shri Ganesha. Make neat smoothly with the help of water. Making a round shape. It is very easy to make at home. Making a round shape. It is very eco-friendly. Make the surface smooth. Now take a ice cream stick and make some marks or designs on the base. Make around the base. Now take a again round base and here I am making body of Lord Shri Ganesha and make the body shape. Make stomach shape. Make as shown in the video. Make in a round shape. Now make some cuts on the base, on the body also. It will help to make straight Ganesha. It will not remove. Then make on the back side, take back side and attached with the clay smoothly. This type of technique, it will not remove the Ganesha. Apply water to make a smooth surface. To remove the rashes also, you can do it with the help of water. Now take a scale and mark the body shape neatly with the help of scale. Make the surface neatly and make the body shape neatly. Add little water, not more. Now take a toothpick and make marks on the body. Now take a round ball and make cut and make a 2-ball shape. Here I am making legs for Lord Shri Ganesha. Make 2 round balls and making a little bit carrot shape. Make roll as shown in the video. Here I am making legs for Lord Shri Ganesha and make little bit thin. Make little bit thin. On the edge you have to make little bit. It will be the food for Lord Shri Ganesha. Add water to make the smooth. To make the surface smooth, we have to add water. Now mark the fingers with the help of knife. Now take ice cream stick and make designs on the dress of Lord Shri Ganesha. It gives a dress shape and make cuts. Make cuts and add water on the boat and attach to the base. Do it same procedure for another leg also. Now take again round ball and make 2 round balls. Here I am making hands for Lord Shri Ganesha. Here I am making second hand. Make little bit thin. Make little bit bend and attach to the body. Now make the finger shape with the help of knife. Now make some cuts and attach to it and attach smoothly. Now take the little bit water and make the surface smoothly with the help of brush. Now again take a round ball and make in a chapati shape, little bit thin. Here I am making dupatta for Lord Sri Ganesha. Cut in a dupatta shape and remove the excess. Now the dupatta is ready. Make some designs on the dupatta with the help of knife. Now attach dupatta to the base body of Lord Sri Ganesha. Add water and attach dupatta to the Lord Sri Ganesha. Now the dupatta is ready. Now make a round ball and make in a carrot shape. Here I am making face of Lord Sri Ganesha. Make little bit in on the other side. It will be the trunk of Lord Sri Ganesha. Make little bit bend with the finger to give a shape. Make the surface smooth. Now attach face to the. Now make small cuts on the both side. Add little bit water and attach face to the base body and make the surface smooth with the help of clay. Now make the surface smooth with the help of brush. Now again take round ball and make 2 round balls. Here I am making ears for Lord Sri Ganesha. Make little bit thin. Make as shown in the video. And attach ears to the Lord Sri Ganesha and make a crown shape and add designs on the crown with the help of toothpick or any empty refill. Now attach crown to the Lord Sri Ganesha. Now attach Now the crown is also ready. Now add some designs on the face of Lord Sri Ganesha with the help of toothpick and mark the eyes with the help of toothpick. Now add a tusk to the Lord Sri Ganesha. One is half and one is small. Now add jewelry to the hands, making a chain shape and make designs with the empty refill. With the help of empty refill, you can add designs to the whole Ganesha. Now here I am making Mushak Raja, making a carrot shape and mold it with the help of fingers. Now the rat is ready. Now place rat in the front of legs of Lord Sri Ganesha. Now make some cuts on the base and attach water and paste the Mushak Raja on the front of Ganesha. Now attach the laddu. You can skip, you can use directly laddu. Now the paint a crown jewelry for Lord Sri Ganesha, dress for Lord Sri Ganesha. It will be better to add colors after one day, after making Ganesha after one day. Then the colors will be attached nice. Our little Ganapati is ready for Vinayak Chauthi. Hope you all enjoy my videos. If you like my videos, Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting crafty videos. Thank you friends.